Recently, I installed a CP22E antenna, which is a stacked 2-element 5x8 lambda vertical antenna with a facing coil in between. 5x8 lambda vertical antenna has a length a little more than the usual quarter wave length vertical antenna. It has a similar low angle of radiation useful for local contacts. Hence, it is a popular form of mobile antenna which can be mounted on a car. Mounting can be with a magnetic base so that it avoids drilling the car chassis, with obvious advantages when you consider resale of the car. Matching coil is provided at the base of the antenna to give good impedance matching like that of a 3/4 lambda vertical antenna. Under ideal conditions, 5x8 lambda vertical antenna has a 4 dB gain over a quarter wave vertical antenna. When it is mounted on the car body acts as the ground plane. 5x8 lambda vertical antenna mounted on a car is typically used for VHF and UHF amateur radios. It can be used as an HF antenna for a base station as well. In that case, the low angle of radiation will be useful for DX contacts.